Upper screws.
After opening the hood, you can immediately see the top screws. Remove all 4 pieces, Torx 30.
Screws to the wheel housing liner.
The bumper is attached to the side of the wheel arch liner with 2 screws, Phillips. And then again from below, Phillips head.
Screws to the fender.
At the top end, the bumper is still attached to the fender with 1 screw, Torx 30.
Bottom screws.
From below, the bumper is attached 3 times, Torx 30, to the lower radiator strut. After all the screws shown previously have been removed, first pull the bumper sideways out of the bumper guide near the fender. Then remove the bumper a little and unplug the fog lights/daytime running lights. Simply press the lock and then pull it off. Of course, it can be a bit tough going through the dirt. And that's it. You can then remove the bumper completely.